Hi there, today we'll show you how to hang a basketball net step by step. It might seem tricky, but it's easier than you think. By the end, your hoop will be ready for fun games with friends and family. Let's get started. First, open the basketball net and make sure all loops are visible. Next, attach the first loop to one of the hooks on the basketball hoop. Continue attaching each loop to its corresponding hook around the hoop. Gently pull on the net to ensure all loops are securely in place. Congratulations, you successfully hung your basketball net. It's securely attached, perfectly aligned, and ready for action. Now it's time to grab a basketball, call your friends, and start shooting hoops. Remember, every game begins with a well-installed net, and you've nailed it. Enjoy your games and make some great memories on the court. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this guide with anyone who might need it. See you next time.